Hi, let me tell you about a little black and yellow robot called Astrobi. It's a drone created by NASA. It flies around the International Space Station working alongside the astronauts. How does Astrobi know where it is? It's got an onboard camera and it compares what it sees against the map of the station. That's known as inside-out tracking. You can see Astrobi here in the central bottom of the slide. With inside-out tracking, produces a set of numbers known as Sixdof. That is X, Y, and Z for the position. You can see at the top right-hand corner, but also three vectors representing the orientation, generally delivered as a quaternion, and that tells us which way the robot is pointing. But processing camera images involves a lot of data, a lot of power, and a lot of time. This means that Astrobis can only move slowly around the space station. Isn't there a better way? I'm Daniel, CTO of Sixdof Space. We're based in Jerusalem, Israel, and over the past 3 years, we've created an inside-out tracking system like no other. We have developed optics, algorithms, and electronics that together enable a drone manufacturer to create a low-cost, lightweight device that can know its position at up to 1,000 times every second. Let me explain to you how we do it. We look only at the light sources, such as the regular lights already in place. At the heart of our system is our unique optic compression lens, manufactured here in the US. Lens and sensor combinations are mounted on the drone and capture an accurate representation of what those light sensors look like to the drone. The graph you can see at the top shows the output for a sense of those sensors. We also have a demo at the back you can see later. Our handcrafted SLAM algorithm analyzes this data to determine the exact position of the drone. It can run at hundreds of frames per second on a CPU without a fan. With 3 or more lights in view, the drone can know its position relative to the environment, even a zero-gravity moving environment. With live updates every few milliseconds, Astrobi would no longer be limited to just bumbling along. Now, there are many applications which benefit from a high-speed optical SLAM system, including robotics, virtual and augmented reality, and military use cases. The system works anywhere that there are light sources. These could be infrared or just the regular lights we already have in our homes and workplaces. The system can work at any scale, from augmented reality all the way to arena-scale applications. And that includes tracking in situations where GPS is unavailable or unreliable. What's more, as the lenses do not form any 2D image, the tracker can be used in areas where cameras aren't wanted or permitted. I'd like to move on to talk about a bit of where we are in the market today. We currently have revenue from customers across the industrial, military, and space landscape, all of whom have expressed frustration with the existing camera-based tracking systems. Let me thank you for your attention this evening and invite you to come and see our booth at the Israel Pavilion during the show. Thank you.